हाय एवरीवन। परेशान अपि रक्ष्य जीवितम, सेकंड पीयूसी, ये लेसन नंबर सेकंड और पाठ का नाम है परेशान अपि रक्ष्य जीवितम। ये लेसन सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका वररुचि के द्वारा लिखा गया एक पुस्तक है। उन्हीं के द्वारा यह लेसन एक कथा के रूप में दिया गया है यहाँ से, और एक्सट्रैक्ट करके यहाँ पे रखा गया है। परेशान अपि रक्ष्य जीवितम। First of all, we should read the preface of this story. This story is also taken from Singhasan Dvatrinshika. This is a epic. This is a epic, not we can say. This is a story book and written by Vararuchi Pithika. First of all, सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका नामक कथा संग्रह है। द्वात्रिंशत् कथा सन्ति। दिस इज आवर प्रीफेस। ओके, सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका नामक कथा संग्रह मीन्स दिस इज ए बुक, सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका, एंड स्टोरी बुक। कथा संग्रह मीन्स कंपिलेशन ऑफ स्टोरी। द्वात्रिंशत् कथा सन्ति। द्वात्रिंशत्, त्रिंशत् means 30 and द्वात्रिंशत् means 32, means there are a compilation of 32 stories in that book सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका and अस्य ग्रन्थस्य कर्ता वररुचिर नामा कश्चित् कविरिति श्रूयते। means the writer of this story book is Vararuchi. Kaschit Kavi means any, there was any poet, and it is also legend, means we can't say surely that who was he, because in our tradition, in our Indian tradition, no any poet has described for himself only. For individual introduction he hasn't described. Because of that was also a very nice tradition. Nice tradition means they were not interested for telling about their individual applause, their individual appreciation. They didn't interest, so they didn't have any interest for that. So say they haven't explained about themselves, so we can't know about them. Even Kalidas, Kalidas, Bharvi, Magh, etc., they were well a scholar, very veteran scholar, but they never described them about themselves. So he was also, Vararuchi was also a poet. He has only compiled, we only know about these things, not about author, from where he belonged, from what was his reason. Okay, these all things we are not concerned, we are not aware of these things. परेषामपि रक्ष्य जीवितम् इति शिरो नामाङ्किते अस्मिन् पाठ्यभागे विक्रमादित्यस्य परदुःखस्पन्दनगुणः हृदयङ्गमरीत्या निरूपितो वर्तते। मीन्स by this title, what has given परेषामपि रक्ष्य जीवितम्, by this title, इति शिरो नामाङ्किते means this is the title. शिरो नामाङ्कित means नामः अंकितः यस्य शिरो भागे means at the top of any lesson, this is the name. अस्मिन् पाठ्यभागे, this is the section, this is the story. विक्रमादित्यस्य प्रदुःखस्पन्दनगुणः means we will know about the Vikramaditya's virtues. What was his virtues? About to know the grief of other persons, means he has also a quality by which quality he can also understand. He was also understanding the problem of others. Hridayangam ritya nirupito vartate. Here we will see that how Vikramaditya was very expert. He was very sensitive person, because he was also took the interest for knowing the problems of others. एषा कथा परोपकाराय शरीर लाभ इति नीतिं बोधयति. This story also gives us a policy, gives us a moral values that paropakara sharira labha, with our body, with our physical body, we should always do helps for others. Kasyapi janto hinsa na karya means we should not kill or give any grief for any creature. Kasyapi janto hinsa na karya, we should not kill any people. Iti sandesha atra suaspashta vartate. This lesson we can also get from this lesson here. Okay, although I have given this preface in English also, but somehow Hindi should also be here. So यह एक कहानी है जो सिंहासन द्वात्रिंशिका, सिंहासन बत्तीसी भी कहते हैं इसको हिंदी में। यह एक कहानी का संग्रह है, एक काव्य है जिसको बररुचि ने किताब इस ग्रंथ को रचा था। उसी ग्रंथ से, उसी कहानी की पुस्तक से एक कहानी निकाल करके रखा गया है। परेशान अपि रक्षा जीवितम, यानी दूसरे के लिए जीना है, हम लोगों को जीना चाहिए। दूसरे के जीना, दूसरे की रक्षा करना ही जीवित होने का सार्थकता है। इसलिए इस पाठ में हम लोग विक्रमादित्य, जो एक बहुत अच्छे राजा माने जाते थे, उस राजा विक्रमादित्य के गुण, जो कि उनके अंदर यह गुण था कि दूसरे के वेदना को, दूसरे के दुख को भी वे कैसे समझ पाते थे, उन्हीं के बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे। चलते हैं मुख्य लेसन पर। मैं इंग्लिश में चूँकि बताऊँगा आप लोगों को समस्या होती है, इसलिए यहाँ पर मैं इंग्लिश में ही डिस्क्राइब करूँगा। शॉर्टली मैं हिंदी में भी बता दूँगा थोड़ा सा। अथ भोजे समाचंक्रम्यमाणे सिंहासने पुत्तलिका अन्या कथयति। अथ भोजे, नाउ भोज, भोजे समाचंक्रम्यमाणे सिंहासने, भोज का जो द थ्रोन ऑफ द भोज, दैट वाज द सिंहासन, थ्रोन। ओके, पुत्तलिका अन्या कथयति। नाउ a doll also started to telling a story. भो राजन श्रूयताम विक्रमे राज्यम शासति भूमंडले पिशुनः तस्कर पापकर्म निरतश्च नासीत्. She started to telling a story. भो राजन, ओ राजा, ओ किंग, श्रूयताम, listen. विक्रमे राज्यम शासति भूमंडले, when here Bhoj was about to enthrone perhaps. Okay, so now she has started to telling that lesson. Okay, she has started one minute. Yes, one thing means the Puthalika doll was saying about Vikramaditya. Okay, that throne was Vikramaditya, and when Bhoj also went towards the throne for ascending there, then she started to tell. अतः भोज समाचंक्रम्यमाणे सिंहासने पुत्तलिका अन्या कथयति. Then she started that in the kingdom, in the state of Vikrama, Rajyam Sasati Bhumandale, when he was ruling over this earth, Pishunah Taskara Papa Karma Niratascha Nasit. On that time, on that era, on that duration, on that tenure, Pishunah Taskarascha means thief. Okay, Papa Karma Niratascha means sinful. That type of people who used to do sinful works. And Pishun means one who always condemned to others. Okay, this type of people were not living on that time, on that era. Okay, when he was ruling over earth. Anyaccha yasya ragya sada rajyabhar chinta balavad vairi vijaya chinta cha asti sa ratro nidram api nadigacchati. Means, in other words, yasya ragya sada rajyabhar chinta means any king, if he is very concerned about his estate, about his enemy and other problems, then how he can get a better sleep in night also. Okay, uktancha chinta turanam na sukham na nidra means this is also a proverb. This is also telling that chinta turanam, one who is very concerned, he is very upset. Okay, so that type of people can't get proper sleep, and nasukham, sukham also means in the comfort, relax, and sleepings also they can't get. Okay, even they have mattress, even they can get a very nice bed, but they can't get proper sleep. So चिंता तुराणाम न भयम न निद्रा न सुखम न निद्रा न सुखम न निद्रा अयम विक्रमादित्यो राजा तथा विधो न भवति. But the Vikramaditya was very brave. He hadn't any enemy, he hadn't any problem, any tension about his estate or any public. सर्वान अर्थी भूभुज स्वपाद पद्माश्रितान विधाय आज्ञा प्रदान राज्यम करोति. Means whatever, how much kings were there, but they were all in the command, under the command of the Vikramaditya. Only by the order of the Vikramaditya they were ruling over different province, different estates also. Okay, he was the Chakravarti, and under in his control other kings were also working. So he hadn't any problems or he hadn't any enemy also, because all were loving with him. Okay. एकदा स राज्यभारं मंत्रिषु निधाय स्वयं योगी वेषण देशांतरम निर्गतः. एकदा means once upon a time, राज्यभारं मंत्रिषु निधाय, he also given his all the kingdom and the liability and responsibility of the of his estate or his nation, he to his ministers, and he also himself also taken a other looks of yogi. Means he also disguised himself. Disguised means changed himself in another form, in yogi vesh. Okay, and he also went for another country. Country means another state. Okay. यत्रात्मनश्चित्तस्य सुखं भवति तत्र कतिचित् दिनानि तिष्ठति यत्राश्चर्यं पश्यति तत्रापि कालं नयति. Means he started for living anywhere. Okay, where he wished. Means where his also interest was there he also stayed, and where he also made his mood that no, we should go anywhere. Then he also changed his place also. Yatrascharjam pashyati tatrapi kalam nayati. Where he also used to saw any amazing thing, there he also used to stay. एवं पर्यटन एकस्मिन् दिवसे यावत् सः महारण्यं मध्यं प्राविशत् तावत् सूर्यो अस्तं गतः. Once when he was in the visiting of other places, one day he also found that a very very huge forest. Okay, Maharanya Madhyam, a very huge forest there was. And when he entered in that huge forest, then on that time only the sun also sunset was also happened. Okay, in the evening. Atah Raja Brikchamulam ekam asritya ratrau sthita. So the king also stayed only beneath a tree there only, in the forest only. Tasya brikshasya upari vriddha chiranjeevi nama kaschit pakshi raja asit. There was also a brikshasya upari, on that tree there was a pakshi raj, means the king of whole bird, named Chiranjeevi. He was there. He used to live there. तस्य पुत्रा पौत्राश्च देशान्तरं गत्वा स्वोदरं पूरयित्वा सायंकाले प्रत्येकम् एकैकं फलमादाय वृद्धाय तस्मै चिरञ्जीविने प्रतिदिनं प्रयच्छन्ति स्म. Means his sons and his grandsons were also used to go for another place, another deshantaram, means another state or another nation, wherever they wished, and swodaram purayitva, they used to fill up their own abdomen, and at evening they used to come, they used to return, and they also used to bring some fruits, and one fruits they used to give to Chiranjeevi also, because he was very old and he was not able to go outside and for bringing other things. So only the sons and grandsons used to bring for them, for him. Tato ratro Chiranjeevi sukhenopavishta tan pakshina aprichat. On that day also, Chiranjeevi, at night, Chiranjeevi was very happy and with his sons and grandsons, and then he started to asking with the other birds, means his sons and grandsons. Raja Pipikshamule sthitas tadvacha sranoti. And actually the king was also beneath of that tree, so he also listened all the conversations between the Chiranjeevi and his sons and grandsons. He started, means bird Chiranjeevi started to telling, भोः पुत्रः युष्माभिर्नाना देशान् पर्यटद्भिः किं विचित्रं दृष्टं, means oh my sons or grandsons, you all have visited whole day for other places. Paryatadbhi kim vichitram drishtam, means by you people any amazing things were also seen or not. What was the amazing things for today? Tatra ekena pakshina bhanitam. Then a bird also started to telling, maya kimapaschariyam na drishtam, means I didn't see anything amazing. Param adya mama chetasi mahad dukkham bhavati, but in my heart there was a very huge grief, very much grief in my heart. Chiranjeevinoktam, then told by Chiranjeevi. Tata kathaya kim nimittam dukkhasya, then tell about the reason of the grief. Tena uktam, means said by them, said by him, okay, means son or grandson, anyone. Kevalam kathanena kim bhavati, what will change only by telling. Vriddhenoktam, means then vriddh means old bird said, bho putraha yo dukhi sa suhridi dukkham nivedya sukhi bhavati iti, means listen, this is a theory that when anyone is in pain and when he used to say with anyone about his pain, then his pain or grief also shorten, okay, means his sorrow also disappear when he used to say with anyone about his sorrow, okay. Tasya vakyam srutva sa dukha karanam kathayati. Then after listening this sentence, the son or grandson, anyone, he also said, bhoh tata, means oh my father, sruyatam, listen, asti uttara deshe shaival ghosho nama parvata. There is a mountain named Shaival Ghosh in north region, okay, in uttar deshe, means in north country. Tat parvat samive palash nagaram asti, means beside of that, near of that mountain, there is a city named Palash Nagara. तस्मिन् पर्वते स्थितः कश्चित् राक्षसः प्रतिदिनं नगरमागत्य सम्मुखायान्तं यं कश्चन मानुषं स्त्रियं बालकादिकं वा पर्वते नीत्वा भक्ष्यति. तस्मिन् पर्वते स्थितः कश्चित् राक्षसः, means on that mountain there is a demon. He also used to live there, and on daily basis he also used to come in city, in that town, and he also choose any person whoever used to come in front of him. He used to take yam kashchan manusham, any human being, any woman, any baby or anyone, he used to take and also bring on that mountain, and he also eat every day. He also eats every day. Ekada sa nagarvasibhi janaihi ukta. One day he also was there, and nagarvasivi means town person, city person also told to that demon, bho bakasur, the demon's name was Bakashur. Bho bakasur, o Bakashur, tvam yathecham sammukapatitam yam kamevam ma bhaksha, means you should not eat anyone whoever in front of you you used to take and used to eat that people. You shouldn't do this, okay, don't eat anyone. Vayam tubhyam pratidinam ahararthamekam manavam dasyamah. On daily basis we used to give one person daily, okay. Iti tad vachah tena angikritam. Then he demon also said that okay, deal is final, and he also agreed, okay. तदनन्तरं तत्रत्याः जनाः प्रतिदिनम् अनुक्रमं गृहक्रमेण एकैकं मानवं तस्मिन् प्रयच्छन्ति. Then the town person, city persons also they also discussed mutually, and then they started to sending one people daily basis by every family, okay. Ekekam manavam tasmai, means one each one person from each family started to go, okay, one by one. एवं महान कालो गतः, आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम आल्सो स्पेंड। अद्य पूर्वजन्मनि संजात सौहार्दस्य मम मित्रस्य कस्यचित् ब्राह्मणस्य पर्यायः समायातः। अद्य पूर्वजन्मन, हाँ मीन्स आज, अद्य मीन्स टुडे, ओके। पूर्वजन्मनि संजात सौहार्दस्य मीन्स देयर वाज ए फ्रेंड, देयर वाज माय फ्रेंड, ओके, एंड ही वाज ए ब्राह्मण, ओके, and today his term, today was his term and term for going towards the demon. तस्य एकः एव पुत्रः, he has only one son. पुत्रं ददाति चेत् सन्तति छेदो भविष्यति. If he will sacrifice his son, then his offsprings or the dynasty or the family, the successor will also be disappear. आत्मानं प्रेक्षति चेत् भार्या विधवा भविष्यति. If he will go himself, means individually he will go, then his wife will be widow. वैधव्यं पुनर्महत् दुःखं, when she will be widow, then it will be also a problem. पुत्रीं दास्यति चेत् आश्रम भ्रंशो भविष्यति. If he will give his daughter, then whole ashram will be like isolated or like a desert, okay, will भ्रंशो भविष्यति means beautyless, okay. So तेषां परेषां दुःखेन अहं महत् दुःखी. So I am very sorrow, I am very feeling very pain, I am feeling very grief after listening that his term today is his term, okay. Tomorrow is his term, not today. Today only he listened that tomorrow is his term, okay. तस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा तत्रैते पक्षिभिर्भणितं. Then after listening these words, वृद्ध means that old bird also started to sing. अहो अयमेव सुहृत्, यः सुहृदो दुःखेन स्वयं दुःखी भवति. Means you are the best friend of that Brahmin, because a friend always used to become sorrowful when he also listened the sorrow of other friend, okay. एतदेव मित्रत्वं, दिस इज ओनली ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. उक्तञ्च सुखिते सुखी सुहृदि यः दुःखिनी दुःखी च स बन्धुर्भवति इति पक्षिणो वचः श्रुत्वा विहङ्गरवार्थविज्ञः राजा तत्र नगरे बद्धशिला समीपं गतः. Means then also bird said that friend should be also happy after looking his friend's happiness, and friend should be also sorrow when he looks the sorrow of his friends. So you are also a very best friend. When this all conversation listened the king, then also king decided to go there, and the king was a very quality person, and he also was very aware of the speaking and the conversation of the birds. So he, after listening all these things, he also went there, where means in the city where demon also used to come. Baddhashila means where he also used to come and kill two people, okay. तत्र ब्राह्मणं निरीक्ष्य अभयं दत्त्वा स्वगृहं सम्प्रेष्य च तत्समीपस्थे सरोवरे स्नात्वा बद्धशिलायाम् उपाविशत्. Then the Brahmins also went there because his term was that day. So he went there. But king also said that go to your home, I will be here on place of you, so don't worry about that. And king also went to Sarovar, in the pond, okay, and he also took the bath, and also went to the near of that stone where demon also used to come and for killing the human beings. तस्मिन् समय राक्षसः समागत्य प्रहसितवदनं पुरुषं दृष्ट्वा विस्मितः तं पृच्छति, भो महासत्व, अत्र शिलायां प्रतिदिनं यः उपविशति स मदागमनात् पूर्वमेव म्रियते. Then on that time when the demon also came, and he also saw that this person is laughing and he is smiling, and he was also very amazed that and asked that, Bho Mahasatva, oh brave person, who are you? Every day any person who ever come to near this Shila, near this stone, before coming of me, he also died because of fear, horrifying state, okay. because of horrification, because of scare, he also used to die before of coming me. त्वं पुनः महाधैर्य संपन्नः प्रहसितवदनो दृश्यसे, but you are very brave because you looks very happy. Okay, यस्य मरणकालः समायातः तस्येन्द्रियाणि ग्लानिं प्राप्नुवन्ति, means whoever has demise moments, means expiry moments, demise moments, on that time his all the body is also very impatient. He by heart is very, he used to be very impatient, and glanim prapnuvanti, means all his organs are very upset. Okay, tvam punah adhikam kantim prapte prahasasi, but you are not like that people, you are very happy. Okay, how? Tarhi kathe ko bhavan, means what is the reason behind this? Raja bhanati. Then he also started. Raja told, maya pararthametat shariram diyate swachya ato na me kapi glanihi, means this is my body and I have no any tension, I have no any worry for my this body, because this body is only for others. Bhavatu kim anena vicharanena tava, means you don't think any very much. Tvam atmanah samihitam kuru iti, means tada rakshasa manasa chintayati, means he said that you should also sacrifice for others. Okay, tada rakshasa manasa chintayati. Then rakshas demons also started to think.